Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today is very auspicious Vijaya Ekadasi. So Jaya Ekadasi is in the Sukla Paksha and Vijaya Ekadasi is in the Krishna Paksha of the Magha Masa. This Ekadasi happens to be just 2 days before Maha Sivaratri. So on that occasion, as I go back home from the office in the traffic with my Parthasarathi Guru Garu driving, thought of talking on 3 Sivastotras by Markandeya Maharshi, Vyasa Maharshi and Vasishta Maharshi. 3 Maharshis have done Ashtakas. Shiva is an Ashtamurti Swarupa. Normally lot of Ashtakas are on Shiva. So these are very famous stotras, but the idea is reading those stotras out and trying to find out some, compare and contrast all the 3 stotras by 3 great Maharshis. So we will start with the Chandrasekhara Ashtakam, or this Ashtakam is written by Markandeya Maharshi. Markandeya Maharshi, before when he has prayed with this 8 slokas, when Yama comes there, so it ends with Chandrasekhara Mastriye Mama Kinkarishyati Vai Yamaha. So Chandrasekhara 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 Pahimam Chandrasekhara 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 Rakshamam Ratnasanusarasanam Rajatadrisrunga Niketanam Sinjanikruta Pannageswaram Achyutanalasayakam Kshipradagdha Puratrayam Tridasalayayra Bhivanditam Chandrasekhara Mastraye Mama Kinkarishyati Vai Yamaha. So Yamaha, O Yama, what you can do to me? Ratnasanusarasanam Rajatatrasrunga Niketanam Sinjanikruta Pannageswaram Achyutanalasayakam. So the God who is Chandrasekhara, so it is one theme. So one who is holding a Chandra, symbolic of mind, on the Sikhara, on the head as an ornament, Chandrasekhara Master. Panchapadapa Pushpagandha Padambujadvaya Sobhitam Palalochana Jatapavaka Dagdha Manmatha Vigraham Phasmadigdha Kalebaram Bhavanasanam Bhavamavyayam Chandrasekhara Masraye Mama Kinkarishyati Vai Yamaha. Matavarana Mukhya Charma Krutottariya Manoharam Pankajasana Padmalochana Pujitangri Saroruham Devasindhu Taranga Sikara Sikta Subhrajatadharam Chandrasekhara Masraye Mama Kinkarishyati Vai Yamaha. So here in this Pankajasana Padmalochana Pujitangri Saroruham, that is one theme, and Devasindhu Taranga Sikara Sikta Subhra Jatadharam, having a jatas which are cleansed by the Devasindhu Ganga Nadi. So he is holding the Ganga in the head. Yaksharaja Sakham Bhagakshaharam Bhujanga Vibhushanam Sailaraja Suta Parishkruta Charuama Kalebaram Kshvelani Lagalam Paraswadharinam Mrugadharinam Chandrasekhara Masraye Mama Kinkarishyati Vai Yamaha. Yaksharaja Sakham, friend of Kubera. Bhagakshaharam. Bhaga is one of the Adityas. In the Daksha Yajna, when Bhaga has been hit, his eyes are gone away. So for Surya, the dantas or the teeth are gone away in that war. So like that, Bhagakshaharam is one story about Daksha Yajna Vinasana. So wherever Nirishwara Yaga happens, anything happens against Ishwara, it will be destroyed. Kundalikruta Kundalishwara Kundalam Vrushabahanam Naradadi Munishwara Stuta Vaibhavam Bhuvaneshwaram Andhakantaka Masritamara Padapam Shamanantakam Chandrasekhara Masraye Mama Kinkarishyati Vai Yamaha. So here actually Kundalikruta Kundalishwara Kundalam. So the Kundali is the one which has the coils, the serpent with coils, Kundalikuta, Kundalishwara Kundalam Vrushabahanam. It symbolizes the Kundalini Shakti, one who controls that Kundalam, having that Kundalini, Vrushabahanam, sitting on the Dharma as Vahana. Dharma or Vishnu Swarupa, Dharma is Vahana, one who Adhisthana on it, వృషవాహనం. దట్ ఈస్ వన్ థీమ్. నరదాది మునీశ్వర స్తుత వైభవం భువనేశ్వరం. అంధకాంతకమాశ్రితామర పాదపం శమనాంతకం. One who has killed the Semanantakam. So here actually it becomes this Semanantakam is there in the already in the Markandeya Stuti. So by then actually the Semana has been removed or not removed. Means Yama has been killed by then or not killed. Means this is a eternal thing. Repeatedly it happens. Even Markandeya has a hint or idea or knowledge of the end of the times beyond the time. భేషజం భవరోగిణామఖిలాపదామపహారిణీం దక్షయజ్ఞ వినాశనం త్రిగుణాత్మకం త్రివిలోచనం భుక్తిముక్తి ఫలప్రదం సకలాఘసంగ నిబర్హణం చంద్రశేఖరమాశ్రయే మమ కింకరిష్యతి వయ్యమః. భుక్తిముక్తి ఫలప్రదం భేషజం భవరోగిణాం. He is the Bheshajam, the medicine for the Bhavaroga. Bhavaroga is the roga or the disease of taking birth and death again and again. The cycle of samsara is Bhavaroga. So that is one theme we wanted to focus on. Bhaktavatsalamarchitam vidhimakshayam haridambaram sarvabhutapatim paratparamaprameyam సోమవారుణ భూహుతాసన సోమపా నిలభకృతిం సోమపా నిఖిలకృతిం చంద్రశేఖరమాశ్రయే మమ కింకరిష్యతి వయ్యమః. ఆల్ ద 5 మెయిన్ భూతాస్, ద ఆకృతి ఆఫ్ 5 భూతాస్. చంద్రశేఖర, భక్తవత్సలం, అర్చితం, నిధిమక్షయం, హూ ఈజ్ ఎ అన్డిమినిషింగ్ నిధి ఆర్ ద ట్రెజర్. హరిదంబరం, హ్యావింగ్ గ్రీన్ అంబరం. విశ్వసృష్టి విధాయినం పునరేవ పాలన తత్పరం సంహరంతమపి ప్రపంచమశేషలోక నివాసినం క్రీడయంతమహర్నిశం గణనాథ యూధ సమన్వితం చంద్రశేఖరమాశ్రయే మమ కింకరిష్యతి వయ్యమః. దీస్ ఆర్ ద 8 శ్లోకాస్. విశ్వసృష్టి విధాయనం, పాలనం, all the 3 karmas are being done by the great Lord. క్రీడయంతమహర్నిశం గణనాథ యూధ సమన్వితం చంద్రశేఖరమాశ్రయే మమ కింకరిష్యతి వై యమః. The Falasruti Markandeya says for this, Purnayurarogatam Akhilardha Sampada Madaram Chandrasekhara eva tasya dadati mukti mayatnataha. Purnamayuhu Arogata Akhilardha Sampada, so having attained the full lifespan. Arogata, not having any diseases, and Akhila Ardha Sampada, all the Ardha Sampada within this world, and Chandrasekhara eva tasya dadati mukti mayatnataha. Without any effort, Chandrasekhara himself will give mukti. So that is the stotra ashtaka here. So Vyasa Maharshi is a great sage, and he is the Guru Purnima we will celebrate on his birthday. He also does an ashtaka. It goes like this. Gangatharangaramaniya jatakalapam gauri nirantara vibhushita vamabhagam narayana priyam anangamadapaharam varanasi purapatim bhaja vishwanatham వాచామగోచరమనేక గుణస్వరూపం వాగీశ విష్ణు సురసేవిత పాదపీఠం. అగైన్ వాగీశ విష్ణు సురసేవిత పాదపీఠం. వామేన విగ్రహవరేణ కళత్రవంతం, హ్యావింగ్ హాఫ్ ఆక్యుపైడ్ బై ద వైఫ్. వారాణసీపురపతిం భజ విశ్వనాథం. భూతాధిపం భుజగభూషణభూషితాంగం వ్యాఘ్రాజినాంబరధరం జటిలం త్రినేత్రం పాశాంకుశాభయవరప్రదశూలపాణిం. హ్యావింగ్ హ్యాండ్స్ పాశ అంకుశ అభయ వరప్రదశూలం పాణిం వారాణసీపురపతిం భజ విశ్వనాథం. సీతాంశు శోభిత కిరీట విరాజమానం. అగైన్ సీతాంశు శోభిత, చంద్ర అంశ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద కిరీట విరాజమానం. ఫాలేక్షణానల విశోభిత పంచబాణం. అగైన్ కిల్లింగ్ ఆఫ్ మన్మథ. ఫాలేక్షణ అనల విశోభిత Panchabanam. Panchabanam is the having 5 banas, one who is Manmatha. He has been Vishobhita by Falekshana Anala. Nagadhiparachita Bhasura Karnapuram Varanasi Purapatim Bhaja Vishwanatham. పంచాననం దురితమత్తమతంగజానాం నాగాంతకం ధనుజపుంగవపన్నగానాం దావానలం మరణశోకజరాటవీనాం వారాణసీపురపతిం భజ విశ్వనాథం. తేజోమయం సగుణనిర్గుణమద్వితీయం ఆనందకందమపరాజితమప్రమేయం నాదాత్మకం సకల నిష్కలమాత్మరూపం వారాణసీపురపతిం భజ విశ్వనాథం. సకల నిష్కల, సగుణ నిర్గుణం, అద్వితీయం, ఆత్మరూపం. ఇట్స్ ఎ వండర్ఫుల్ థీమ్. సో శివ ఈజ్ ద ఆత్మ. సో Vyasa Maharshi is saying us all these things. Ragadi dosha-rahitam. Ragadi doshas are not there. Swajananuragam. Immediately he puts whoever prays to him, Swajananuragam. He will be Anuraga, he will have to the Swajanas. What is this? It's a contradiction, but that is how it is. Vairagya Syanti Nilayam Girija Sahayam Madhurya Dhairya Subhagam Karalabhiramam. One side Madhurya Dhairya Subhagam, having all auspicious qualities, and holding Garala. The highest poison is under his throat. Varanasi Purapatim Bhaja Vishwanatham. Asham Vihaya Parihurutya Parasya Nindam Paperatincha Sunivarya Manah Samadhavadaya Hrut Kamalagatam Paresham Varanasi Purapatim Bhaja Vishwanatham. The internal dimension of the heart. Hrut Kamalagatam Paresham. Asham Vivahaya, giving up all the desires. Parihurutya Parasya Nindam, blaming others, removing the blame of others. Paperatincha Sunivarya, removing the paparati, doing sinful acts. Manaha Samadhavadaya, bringing the mind to the samadhi of balance, highest balance. Hrutkamalagatam Paresham, Hrutkamal, one who is in the Paresham, Varanasi Purapatim Bhaja Vishwanatham. So this is the 8 shlokas of Vyasa. Again the theme is same. Jata, Ardhabhaga of the Chandra in the as an ornament, and Sitam Susobhita Kirita Virajamanam. The great Lord who is the Devadeva. Varanasi Purapate Sthavanam Sivasya Vyasoktam Ashtakamidam Patate Manushyaha Vidyam Sriyam Vipula Saukhyam Anantakirtim Sampraptya Dehavelaye Labhatecha Moksham. Again the Falasruti is given very similar. This Rishi is also saying you will get all Vidyam Sriyam Vipula Kirtim Vipula Saukhyam Anantakirtim Sampraptya Dehavelaye Labhatecha Moksham. You will get Moksham also by this God. Then Vasishta has done one more Ashtaka. This is known as Daridriya Dahana Stotram. He calls each with one name, and again says Daridriya Dukkha Dahanaya Namassivaya. Namassivaya is Panchakshari Mahamantra. He puts the Mahamantra into this Ashtakam. Panchakshari into 8 times. Vishveshwaraya Narakarnavataranaya Karnamrutaya Sesisekhara Dharanaya Karpura Kanti Dhavalaya Jatadharaya Daridriya Dukkha Dahanaya Namassivaya. Again calling Gauri Priyaya Rajani Sakaladharaya Kalantakaya Bhujagadipa Kankanaya Gangadharaya Gajaraja Vimardhanaya Daridriya Dukkha Dahanaya Namassivaya. Again calling Bhakti Priyaya Bhavaroga Bhayapahaya Ugraya Dukkha Bhavasagara Taranaya Jyotirmayaya Gunanama Sunrutyakaya Daridriya Dukkha Dahanaya Namassivaya. Gunas and Namas Sunrutyakaya. Bhava Roga Bhayapahaya Daridriya Dukkha Dahanaya Namassivaya. Jyotirmayaya Gunanama Sunrutyakaya. Again, Charmambaraya, having the Charma. Shavabhasma Vilepanaya, Phalekshanaya Manikundala Manditaya, Manjira Pada Yugalaya, Jatadharaya, Daridriya Dukkha Dahanaya Namassivaya. Panchananaya, Paniraja Vibhushanaya, Hemamshukaya, Bhuvanatraya Manditaya, Ananda Bhumi Varadaya, Tamomayaya, Daridriya Dukkha Dahanaya Namassivaya. Vasishta says is Tamomayaya. pure tamas and pure sattva are not different. Anything pure from the other two gunas is highest supreme. Even tamomayaya ananda bhumi varadaya tamomayaya bhanupriyaya bhavasagara taranaya kalantakaya kamalasana pujitaya. Again kamalasana pujitaya. नेत्रत्रयाय शुभलक्षणलक्षिताय दारिद्र्यदुःखदहनाय नमः शिवाय रामप्रियाय रघुनाथवरप्रदाय नागप्रियाय नरकार्णवतारणाय पुण्येषु पुण्यभरिताय सुरार्चिताय दारिद्र्यदुःखदहनाय नमः शिवाय कालिंग मुक्तिश्वराय फलदाय गणेश्वराय गीतप्रियाय वृषभेश्वर वाहनाय मातंग चर्मवसनाय महेश्वराय दारिद्र्य दुःख दहनाय नमः शिवाय. So these are the 8 shlokas ashtakam with Namah Shivaya as and Daridriya Dukkha Dahanaya. What is Daridriya is Daridra is limitation. Whatever is limited, whatever is temporary is Daridriya. Dukkha, that gives fear also. Daridriya is also fear and what moves away, what goes away. That such thing is a Daridra, limitation, imposed limitation, poverty. Dahanaya, one who can burn Daridriya Dukkha Dahanaya Namah Shivaya. వశిష్ఠేన కృతం స్తోత్రం సర్వరోగ నివారణం సర్వ సంపత్కరం శీఘ్రం పుత్ర పౌత్రాదివర్ధనం త్రిసధ్యం యప్పఠేన్నిత్యం సహి సర్వమవాప్నుయాత్. హీ విల్ గెట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇంక్లూడ్ ద మోక్షం హియర్ ఆల్సో. It will remove the sarva rogas, sarva sampatkaram, sheghram putra pautradivarthanam. It will also bring up kids and grandkids up in this life. So the common thing is Shiva's Devadeva Tattvam, Mahadeva Tattvam, and his ornaments of all these worlds as ornaments, and the inward Atma Swarupa, Panchabhuta Swarupa, Ashtamurti Swarupa of the Shiva, and Ardhanarishwara Swarupa, Uma Maheshwara, having always power of the Shakti together. Phalekshana, the Vairagya, desirelessness, Bhoga and Yoga and Moksha, everything together. Such a highly contradicting one formless form, Linga Swarupa, with form, without form. All the rishis have seen that greatness and they have put it into these, and all the falasrutis are same, rishis, vakyas are same, and what they have seen is same at different points in time, at different situations. Everyone has seen Shiva in this matter of Kalantaka, who is beyond time, beyond space, in all element, immanent in all elements, immanent in all spaces, immanent everywhere, and transcending at the same time everything. That is the Shiva's greatness. It is good that we have gone through all the 3 together in here. Swasti.